Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Microsoft Edge web browser. This is, of course, version 112, following a few days after the release of version 112 of Google Chrome. So Microsoft Edge, if you want to check out for the latest version, go in the upper right corner in the three horizontal dots, go into the help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. You should be up to date to 112.0.1722.34. Now, what's new in here? Really nothing front-facing. This is an update that has much more developer-focused features. Nothing much in the feature update. There's enhanced security mode improvements that for WebAssembly. They have a web app install force list where you can actually, developers can say that this website can be installed as an app automatically. There's a JavaScript viewer, JSON or JSON viewer, which is a viewer to see the text objects of JavaScript, and that's now implemented and can be turned on. But you know, for the average person that watches this video, there's really nothing to talk about in terms of features. In terms of security, though, it's very important because it contains all the Chromium security fixes. If you looked at my video of Google Chrome, there was a certain number of security fixes that were actually fixed with the update to version 112. Well, pretty much all of them are also in the Microsoft Edge browser for the simple reason that it is based on the same Chromium project. So even though there's nothing really new, I would suggest that you move on to version 112 automatically for Microsoft Edge, because it will keep you safe if you use Edge. That's very important. The updates to software is really what's the most important. And the other thing is, even if you don't use Edge, you know, you never know. Sometimes you'll click something and there is, for some reason, Edge will open instead of your favorite browser. So for that reason, just make sure that you update Edge and keep it up to date to stay safe on your computer. So we are at version 112 for Microsoft Edge. And of course, like I said, really no front-facing feature for the browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.